morning, everyone, and welcome back on this Wednesday. We're waking up to a little bit of fresh snowfall along the capital city this morning. You can see that snow just kind of falling lightly. It's not super heavy snow, and it's not going to cause as many problems as we saw last week with the snowfall, but just a little bit of fresh snow out on the roads. But temperatures are a little more comfortable than the last couple of days. It's 0 degrees right now in the capital city, which maybe if you're not from Montana sounds like a terrible start to the day, but this is actually a lot warmer than it has been for the last few days, so any little bit of warm up we will take. Great Falls sitting at 4 degrees right now, but with the wind chill feels more like 5 below. Kind of a chilly start this morning, but certainly an improvement over the last few days. Now some changes are rolled in though. That snowfall, you can see it moving in from the southwest, pushing into north central Montana as of this morning around Great Falls, kind of starting to move in around the Electric City, but not quite as heavy as other areas off to the north and east, and also the Rocky Mountain Front, Teton Pass getting some strong snow, Augusta getting some snow this morning. Around the capital, things have started to kind of pick up here in the last hour or so, but it hasn't been extremely heavy snowfall, and we're not really expecting any extremely heavy snowfall from this. Certainly not enough to warrant a winter weather advisory or winter storm warning. The only thing we have on the map here is a wind chill advisory around Glasgow, but for the most part things are going to be fairly calm today. You can see that snow moving throughout the rest of the morning, and that's not going to be extremely heavy, not very strong, not very persistent, kind of just weak scattered snow showers for the rest of today. Tomorrow there's also some snow coming, but it's going to mainly stay in the more southern parts of the state. So Great Falls is likely going to stay dry for tomorrow, although the clouds are going to stick around through tomorrow. Thursday, kind of a light chance of snow around the capital city. Friday is the next day we're going to see heavier snow, but that is also going to stay predominantly around the capital as well. You can see that snow moving through the rest of today and kind of moving out of here, but then there's more right behind it for Thursday. So just some light snow. There's a chance of light snow on tomorrow for the capital city, but what I'm really watching here is Friday into Saturday. So you can see this next system kind of developing on Friday, and as it moves off to the east, it's really going to develop a little bit stronger on the plains and into the Midwest onto the East Coast. But we're going to see that it's kind of starting in the Rocky Mountains here. It's going to be Friday into Saturday morning, and you can see a little bit of snow still hanging around for southern and southeastern Montana on Saturday morning. But after that, the rest of the weekend is looking a little clearer. We're starting out next week with some sunshine. This afternoon, temperatures reaching into the double digits for the first time in a very long time. 11 degrees today for the high in Helena, 13 for the high in Great Falls. It's been a very long time since we've seen temperatures this warm. I shouldn't say warm, but comfortable, I guess. A little warmer than it has been for the last few days. And then the rest of this week, we are looking at 30s for the afternoon highs. We're hovering just around the freezing point tomorrow, above freezing in the capital city. It has been so long since we've been this warm. And then even check out the lows, not even getting below 0 for the overnight lows, even some double-digit lows for a couple of days here. I hesitate to say that it feels a little more like spring because we're not quite there just yet. We're about 2 weeks away, but anything just feels like an improvement over those extremely cold temperatures.
Break out the shorts. It's downright balmy out there. Maybe not quite, but
not yet, but yeah.
Katie, thank you.